If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative guides. How to watch ESPN3 on YouTube TV. Are you a sports fan looking to catch all the action on ESPN3 through YouTube TV? Look no further. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to start watching ESPN3 with your YouTube TV subscription. First, ensure that you have a YouTube TV subscription. ESPN3 is part of the ESPN network, which is available on YouTube TV, so you must have an active subscription to access it. Once you've confirmed your subscription, open YouTube TV on your device. This could be on your smartphone, tablet, computer, or smart TV. Next, use the search feature on YouTube TV. You can easily find the search bar in the menu. Type in ESPN3 or simply ESPN. This should bring up the ESPN network channels available in your subscription, including ESPN3. Select ESPN3 from the list. When you select ESPN3, you'll be able to see the current live events and any upcoming events available to stream. Choose the event you want to watch and start streaming. Remember, ESPN3 offers a variety of live sports, including college sports, international sports, and even some of the niche leagues. Suppose you're unable to find ESPN3 directly. In that case, you can use the ESPN app as an alternative method. Download and open the ESPN app on your device and sign in with your YouTube TV credentials. This login will verify your access to ESPN3 through YouTube TV. Once logged in, navigate to ESPN3 in the app, and you'll be able to stream the content live from there. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you're all set to enjoy all the sports action ESPN3 has to offer via YouTube TV. Thank you for watching,